with TJ gone?
No, I'm fix my curtain.
So TJ.
Yes?
You do threesome?
I'll talk to you off the air.
Alright. Tell Maya I'm a come to Jamaica, you know.
What time?
I don't know yet.
I don't sound like soon then, man.
Don't worry.
No, you look on TJ, no.
As long as the link is still intact, then I have me come give her 1 hour in a hotel room.
TJ, she try to take your woman, you know. She try to take your woman, TJ.
No, she can't do that. She can't. Nobody can take a woman, bro.
Alright, so TJ, when you do threesome, what you gonna do in there?
What do you mean?
Now that one who they have, you know.
So, yeah, okay, so while one out ride one, she cannot do her next thing with the next girl. What?
Your man, your face go free, bro.
No.
So, what that have to do now?
No.
You're about no. So TJ face not go free?
No, I just did it and free her face and the next girl face can, yeah.
People are, when it comes to sex, everybody is so cringy about it. People don't want to talk about it and people think it's like a rude thing. Like, sex is nice.
Fun.
And if you have a good partner, it's even nicer. And if you have somebody else if your partner is open about sharing a partner with you but not going behind your back to do certain things, it makes the relationship so excited.
And me love what? So me no mind.
You just have to have an honest woman and an honest man. Like say, alright, Maya, tonight we are go with Nikki and we are going to have a night. TJ know behind a Maya back him can't call and text me. Me know me can't go behind a TJ back and call and text Maya. There's leverage to certain things. And we just have a good time. We don't have to go put it out there. But TJ never fuck Maya and Nikki knows she not stop eating Maya.
So nice, man. Jesus. So nice. Jayden, that's your life for me. I live you out. Them life if you are living a dog and load the man thing in a brother.
No, TJ, let me tell you something, TJ.
Hey.
Listen, TJ, them say you see TJ face.
What may I do?
Somebody said teach them Nikki. No man, let me tell you something, man. Don't grow up in a relationship, but also remember to be careful of the threesomes you guys are doing because some people are snakes. Pick and choose the threesome one to do because you can't lose your girl, you can't lose your man.
Yo.
You do threesome for you, Nikki?
Yeah, man.
Outdoors, long time I not see you.
But
it's nice. But you have to do it with somebody where there's chemistry.
Yeah.
You have to be chemistry on, you know, you have to feel the person. Because remember, you can't just get up and go fuck a girl because you see her. You have to have a relationship with this person, you have to know her and them something there. You can't just get up and just eat a girl like that while walk a fuck around the whole place.
You hear that? You hear that?
So you get up and eat pussy like that?
Yes, talk to him.
Everything out 2 1 years and I go through the years there.
I told you something about him, saying eat pum pum for you, anything him catch.
Yes.
Jayden them sitting no good, I lie. I just a character. That you use to make your little TikTok name. Him don't do it.
Him even true.
Him show TikTok.
TJ, better make she go on, you know.
Jayden, what you lie? You go like a lie.
But me don't know, so I ask.
Why she say character? Why you talk about?
When me say character, I mean that's what you do on the internet to make fun.
For real.
Oh. It's real?
Oh, you
think? Just like him just eat anybody. I want him to catch running belly already, or cholera.
Or diabetes.
I remember that. You can't find one nice girl for him, one nice fine girl.
You know, so man, I'm taking him up and clean him up.
So many dirty.
Yo, take the opportunity, Jayden. You never know. Slide in our inbox, bro.
Them say you go poison me not to take you up.
So how me not poison them? Tell me go suck out them, madam.
Don't believe him, he's joking. He's not walking around eating pussy.
Me eat that one there already.
You want to say something?
Yeah, he just want to be himself.
Yeah.
Somebody say it's your content. That's just who you are as a funny person on the internet. Well, me love eating dick. It's nice. I just like to feel it rest on my lips and I just go along on it. I do the balls. It's nice. But I like when they're circumcised. I like when they're not circumcised. When they're circumcised, it feels much better.
Eh?
Yeah. So TJ, you're not circumcised?
Yeah, I think so.
No man, if you get circumcised.
When I can see the head, right?
Yeah, the whole thing. Yeah.
I can see the head.
You're not circumcised. You know you can still be circumcised even though your age.
I'm not chopping penis. My penis is quite fine how it's still. It's circumcised that you can't see the head. Why me I tell him my business? Jayden, talk to her. Talk to her, Jayden.
What do you mean by circumcised and circumnut?
Jayden, I think you say I'm not
circumcised is when they take off the foreskin off your penis. The foreskin that's on your penis.
Jesus, so Jayden, you see like how you don't want to like beard? Bro, are you?
So I like it. It's something that pleases me. Like I do it every time I have sex. That's the first thing I do.
I'm gonna do it short.
Straight down. And in the middle of doing sex, I'll take it out and go on it too. Because I like to taste the taste of my pussy. Sex supposed to be nice. You supposed to have a man in the house and anything you might do, you just stop where you are doing, take off him boxers and just suck him till him come. I get ever suck you till you come? Or them get tired. You know me, I gonna lose. I don't want to play me. I'm not shoot down the place, guys.
Guys, power tap the place, guys. Now get the card. On the power tap, guys. On the power tap the place. Power tap, guys. On the power tap.
Come on, guys. On the top of this page, please. Thank you.
Somebody said too early.
I'll make Jayden so freeze.
At first, I hear them something here. You know, I never get them something there before, you know.
Regular day, man.
Jayden,
You're too lie, Jayden. Lie.
Come on, guys. Help me out now, guys. Come on, guys. Please.
Power tap, guys.
Everybody, tap up the screen, please, guys. Thank you.
Come on my side on the power tap, guys. Everybody power tap. Power tap. Remember, so we still try to catch your speed and get the points.
Them come over here and them a follow me. Them say me deserve a follow. Big up on yourself. Thank you.
Guys. Probably if you don't want to learn little something on you can, you know, ask her.
My soul come to Jamaica, man.
When?
I have some little paper issue, so I work on it. You know, when you take a little run and you have to sort out things to get the things straight. I work on it, you know. So, but
oh, so you run off?
Yeah, man, I take a run, man.
So when you know do this, when you try to silent.
No, I never want to do that because my son is 18 you know, so he can't just fuck up the thing for me easy, 1, 2, 3.
I don't talk about it too much. We don't have any immigration over here.
Immigration can't do nothing, man. You're good.
Oh.
12
guys,
rows,
12 rows, guys.
Come on, guys. Let me beat the two of them now.
Guys, 12 rows. 12 different. Everybody drop a rose. Everybody drop a rose, guys.
Everybody send 12
Everybody
rows.
drop. All right, two more now.
I need 12 rows, guys. Everybody send a rose. Let's catch it speed.
I'm going to use a double here, guys. Remember, I want to try my gloves. Jayden have no get some one.
Target was rejected, guys.
Mr. Think White, come on.
Virginia.
Come on, chat. Use the double.
I can't believe I'm playing with both of you. Thank you guys for playing.
Come on, my side, guys. Use the double.
Use the double, chat.
Come on over Jayden's side.
DJ, forward number out.
Who's? God damn.
All right. Pretty.
Yeah.
We circle here. We're going to try to take him nuggets then.
I appreciate what you're saying. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, pretty.
You want internet boy,
I want you, TJ. I girl, make you stop, bro. I want you.
Yeah, but just similar just a dog.
TJ, all right, TJ, move now. Let me get my kiss. Come again, baby.
Lord!
Well,
Kiss me, baby. Bye-bye. I like when I beg up on yourself.
big up, yeah.
All right, bye-bye.
So, to China next.